Time, the only thing every human fears losing. But what if I told you time might not be real at all? Physicists now believe time is not a fundamental part of reality, but an illusion the universe creates. If time is fake, then you have never moved. Not even 1 second. Sound impossible, right? But Einstein, quantum physics, and the universe itself disagree. Tonight, we're breaking the universe, piece by piece. This is the truth about time, and why your entire life might be an illusion. To understand why time doesn't exist, we must first destroy everything we think we know. Because the universe isn't what it looks like. Not even close. Your past, your present, your future, they're all happening right now. You're not moving through time. You're just experiencing it, one slice at a time. And that illusion is about to break. Because the universe is far stranger than we ever imagined. Welcome to the end of time as you know it. Let's start with the biggest lie humanity ever believed, the idea that time flows. To understand time, we start with its murderer, Albert Einstein. He proved the flow of time isn't universal, it's personal, meaning your time isn't my time. Einstein called this relativity, but the truth hits harder. Your entire life is locked inside a four-dimensional block. Scientists call it the block universe. And inside that block, every moment that has ever happened or will ever happen is already there. Your birth, your death, your future memories, everything. And if everything is already there, then time isn't flowing. You're not moving through time. You're just scanning it, like flipping through frames of a cosmic movie, one moment after another. But here's the twist. The movie doesn't actually play. The universe doesn't experience the passage of time. Only you do. And that sensation, it might be nothing more than your brain assembling moments one by one. Your consciousness is the projector, not time. And that means time might only exist because you exist. But if time is an illusion, why does everything age, decay, fall apart? Because the universe has one unbreakable rule: entropy. Entropy doesn't care about clocks. It only moves one way, forward. This is the real reason you feel time. The universe is constantly falling apart. But here's the mind bender. Entropy gives direction, not time. It tells us what can happen next, not when. Think about it. We never see eggs unbreak, smoke unrise, or stars unexplode. Not because time forbids it, but because entropy does. Time isn't pushing events. Entropy is dragging them. And your brain confuses that direction with the flow of time. This is why memories exist, only backward. Your brain keeps the past, but it never stores the future, which raises a terrifying question. What if the future already exists, and you just can't access it yet? To understand this, we need to confront one of Einstein's most disturbing ideas. That past, present, and future might all exist at the same time. He called it the block universe. In this model, time doesn't flow. We move through time the same way we move through space. You don't feel space flowing around you, but you move through it. The same could be true for time. Your birth, your death, your future children, all could already exist inside the cosmic block. We simply experience them one slice at a time. This means the universe might not be changing. We are the ones moving through a fixed universe. And what feels like the present is just the slice you're currently passing through. But here's the glitch. If time is a block, why can't we jump to any part of it? Why are we trapped in this one direction at this one speed? If the universe is a fixed block, then we're not traveling through time by choice. Something pushes us forward, something we didn't agree to. Physicists call this the arrow of time. But here's the twist. The laws of physics don't require time to have a direction. Your future could run backward. Your past could unfold in reverse. But in reality, that never happens. Everything around you decays, breaks, falls apart. This unstoppable decay is the true engine forcing us through time. Entropy isn't just disorder. It's the universe's countdown clock, ticking in one direction only. And once entropy hits maximum, time itself may stop. No past, no future, just a silent, unmoving universe. But here's the question physicists can't escape. If entropy controls time, who or what set entropy in motion? To understand where time began, we must go back to the moment everything snapped into existence. Before the Big Bang, physics collapses. Equations break. Logic fails. This was the singularity, a point where time didn't exist. Then something unimaginable happened. The universe didn't just expand. Time switched on, and once it turned on, there was no turning back. Particles formed, stars ignited, galaxies spun. And for the first time, change became possible. Change is the heartbeat of time. But here's the cosmic twist. Time might not exist. We just experience it as change. You aren't moving through time. You're moving through events already carved into the universe. And time is the illusion telling the story. What if the universe doesn't experience time, but you do? Because your brain is running a simulation that stitches moments together and calls it time. Your brain doesn't see reality. It predicts it. Every second you experience is a reconstruction, a guess, a story, a patchwork of snapshots. And here's the wild part. Your brain shows you the world delayed. You're living 80 milliseconds in the past. Everything you see already happened. Your awareness is always catching up. So, is time real or just a lag in your perception? Because if your brain stopped stitching reality, your sense of time would vanish instantly, and the universe wouldn't even notice. If time doesn't flow, then every moment of your life is already out there. Past, present, future, all existing at once. This idea isn't sci-fi. It's called the block universe. Einstein basically told us the universe is a loaf. You don't move through time. You just sit in your slice. Your past still exists. Your future already exists. You just can't access them. Not because they're gone, but because your consciousness is stuck on one coordinate. Think of your life as a DVD. Every scene is already on it. You're just stuck watching it frame by frame. And here's the unsettling part. Your future self is already real, just not reachable yet. So maybe you're not moving through time. Maybe time is just revealing you. If time isn't moving, then something else must be. And physics says that something is entropy. Entropy isn't a force. It's a direction. The universe doesn't flow through time. It just gets messier every second. Your coffee cooling, your body aging, stars burning. That's the arrow of time, not clocks. Time isn't pushing you forward. Entropy is. Your memories? They form because your brain follows entropy. Your future? It's just the direction of increasing disorder. If entropy reversed, your life would play backward like a movie. Not because time reversed, but because order did. So time isn't real, but the universe aging? That's very real. If the universe is frozen, then time exists only in one place. Inside your head, your brain stitches events into a sequence, so you don't feel like you're trapped in a freeze-frame universe. Memory creates the past. Expectation creates the future. Together, they generate the illusion of flow. But physics never asked for a flow. Your brain did. Every second you feel is a reconstruction. The real universe? It's not ticking. It's just there. You're the one doing the moving. Not your body, your consciousness. If the universe is timeless, then moments don't disappear. They coexist. Right now, every version of you that ever lived still exists. Because the universe doesn't erase frames. It just doesn't play them. So what does death mean if time doesn't flow? It might just be switching scenes. Your consciousness doesn't vanish. It just stops updating the version you were using. But another version of you keeps going. In another slice of space-time, you're still breathing, still thinking, still alive. Because death is a story time told you. And time might be lying. If time is an illusion, then so is your past. Your memories aren't behind you, they're beside you. And your future isn't ahead, it's already here. You're just not inside that frame yet. Because the truth is brutal. The universe doesn't care about seconds or hours. It cares about states, not stories. But humans, we need the story. We need time just to stay sane. But the universe never agreed to that rule. And there's something even crazier. You aren't moving through time. Time is moving through you. You're the constant, and time is the illusion.